Napakasakit po. Wala nang, have we forgotten to be kind? Have we forgotten to be decent human beings? Yun lang naman po ang sinasabi ng pamilya. At the expense of clickbaits, at the expense of hot news, at the expense of media, where does decency in media? Not only you guys, but in social media, where has it gone? And panawagan rin to sa investigating officers. Dapat kasama kayo dito. Dapat hindi kayong kalaban. Kung ngayon, kayo pa ang kalaban, kayo pa ang nag-aggravate ng situation, hindi naman po sana, hindi naman ata tama. At panawagan din sana to sa mga mambabatas natin na tingnan natin, patibayan natin ang crimes on electronic media. Patibayan natin ang right to privacy. Patibayan natin ang, at iklaro natin ano ba ang function ng isang investigating agency, especially those who are responsible for thoroughly investigating the crime scene. Masaklap, pati yung slab ng baril hindi nakita. And I understand walang gloves. Walang gloves yung nag-investigate. They were handling the weapon without gloves. So you're, not only that, in the data gathering, pag nag-file ng kaso, damage na yung evidence. So, panawagan din to sa mga investigate. I've been a practicing lawyer for many years. And talagang problema ang investigating process. Walang nako-convict, tatama kasi palpak ang investigation. So, panawagan din to.